Hi, this is Glass Phoenix, and this is part two, I reckon, of how to upgrade the original 1942 Mosin Nagant into a 10-round magazine Archangel stock with a custom Timney job. So, I didn't have this handy dandy tool, have something to poke it. I normally can just slide them out, and this one just wasn't going. Very easy, pull it out, comes out like so. It's now ready to house the new Timney trigger. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up. A little paper. Let go and let God. You can read it if you want. I don't know if you can see it. This is the Timney trigger. It comes with this teeny little Allen wrench. You'll see why here in a moment. We're going to take our stock. We're going to drop our little trigger just down right in there. Normally this Archangel will come with a safety, which is right here, which slides in this little groove. But if you're upgrading your Archangel, go with the Timney trigger. Trust me, you'll love it. It reduces the pull time, and it's really just awesome. So, you just slide her right in here. But first, you have to mount her. So just to give you an idea of how she's going to come together. So, I want to take this little pin. You want to line it up with this hole and push her on through. Just gotta wiggle her and get her lined up. There we go. Much better. Now we have to take that screw, which is right here. We have to put it back in. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Very simple. Just tighten her. And also make a video of the disassembly for all those who are interested. We're going to clear up. This little Allen wrench is to adjust your pull on your trigger, so you can change that to your desired preference. Now in here, there's these little floater blocks. We shouldn't need it. Most of the time you won't need it. Some different ones are different, but they're for your barrel. But if you don't need it, you don't need it. I always just drop it in free flow. Want to take your Archangel shot? Let me get this over here. I'll just get that off later. I'm showing you disassembly. Now the biggest thing is, you just want to line it up with the hole. Make sure she's sitting right above it. One way I do that is I take that little pokey device that I had and I run it around. Make sure that we're right on top. You want to seat her. And to do that, when she's lined up, just press her down. Sometimes they're really firm, and you have to hit them with a rubber mallet. Let's see if we can do this without that. Right above the hole, and I just have to work this topping. I really want to refrain from having to hit my gun. with anything except for a rubber mallet. Here we go. Like I said, just work her in. Some ones are a little bit easier, some ones are a little bit different. You know, it's all just, you're lining up something modern from something so old. There we go. See, this is what I was talking about. This little barrel riser, when you have this float, it's a free floating barrel. But if you found that if you're not getting the grouping you're desiring, you can put this in, which will give the stability to the barrel. And this will clip in to its frame and just give you this little bit of extra. So let's now mount it to the frame. Fortunately, they come with this little hex wrench, and it also comes with these little nuts. This is the safety, which would have slid in if you did not have the trigger upgrade, but I don't know why you would not. So remember, the big bolt goes on top. I'm just gonna hand tighten it, and this little one goes right here in this first hole, right behind your rail assembly. And this one I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten. As with this one, and this will keep your barrel attached, which is always a good thing. There we go. Tighten that in there. Make sure this one's nice and tight. Perfect. In later videos, I'll show you I have a 2-point sling, which I'm going to attach, and it also has the quick detach. I'm also going to be mounting a custom rail with a really sweet camouflage scope, and then later on I'll also show you how to hydro dip this bad boy. But those are all to come, so stay tuned. Now, and also you notice it comes with this. This is a little sling swivel. There is instructions on how to custom mount that and where to drill that hole. I don't want to drill a hole in my stock. I'm going to use the quick detach. Anybody, if you're spending the money with the Archangel and you really care about your gun, go that extra mile. Now the next thing, we just have to take this bad boy, take the slide, want to pull your trigger, and you'll find she just slides right in. Still works, still beautiful, still sounds great. And now you have your trigger, your safety right here, 1942 thumb safety. Look at that, beautiful. And I also have a 10-round mag. So stay tuned to our later videos, and once again, this is Glass Phoenix, and I hope you liked what you see, and there's more videos to come, and I apologize about if there's anything I missed. If you want to add comments down below, by all means, and like it, please subscribe. There will be a lot more to come, varying different weapons. You have a beautiful day.